Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, all of you. Welcome to All Tiki What Make a Sentence website once again. Excuse me, dear mom, please open the door. Who are you? Mom, don't you know me? I'm your son, a server. Why you are standing here? Mom, please open the door. No, I don't open the door. No, I won't open the door. What happened to you, dear mom? Or what did I do? Why didn't you open the door? Dear mom, please open the door. I'm standing before the door. Why you are standing here? Mom, I wanna see you and I wanna talk with you. No, you don't need to talk with me because you don't know how to speak English. Mom, I'm learning and I'm trying again and again. One day I will be a good speaker. No, I don't believe you. You are starting your journey a long time ago, but I didn't see your good result. What happened to you? You are keep saying I will able to speak English and I'm learning and one day I will be a good speaker. You are keep saying, but you didn't get fluency yet. What's the problem, by the way? Mom, I'm trying my best and I have to learn day by day. How I will learn certainly? You don't know, mom. It's not possible for anyone, not only me. I don't know anything. You have to speak English fluently. Just I know only it. Okay, you are right, mom. And please open the door, mom. Dear son, please wait. I am coming and I will open the door. And did you agree with me? No, mom. I didn't agree with me. Why I have to agree with you? I know you are my mom, and not only a mom. You are a very good mom. That's good, my son. I was just joking with you, and I was testing you, testing your love, and how much you love me. Everything all right, but I got scared. Mom, please don't do again like this. My dear son, I want to do like this with you. I know you love me too much, but I got scared. What are you talking, my dear mom? And why is she talking with me like this? Already I started my journey. Yes, my dear son, already you started your journey. It's enough, and I'm really happy because I saw you tried so much. That's why I'm really happy. Okay, dear mom, really, you are a good mom over the world. And please pray for me. One day I will be a good speaker, inshallah. And if you pray for me, and it will be it will be very great opportunity for me. My dear son, I always pray for you, not only you who are the want to success. I always pray for everyone who are the want to success in their life. And my dear mom, what should I do now? And you tell me, I will do right things. Okay, you can take evolution and come inside the room. Okay, dear mom, I am making evolution and after that I will come. See you soon next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.